Hi guys, this is my topic for communication by laser. The laser was applied in many field in the industry. So I am explained by one topic for underwater laser communication. Content: Introduction to laser, Introduction to laser communication, Introduction to underwater communication, laser and underwater communication, and conclusion. What is laser? Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. A device produces a coherent beam of optical radiation by the stimulating electronic, ionic, or molecular transition to higher energy levels. When they are returned to lower energy levels by the stimulated emission, they emit the energy. Properties of laser: monochromatic, concentrate in a narrow range of the wavelength in one specific color, coherent. All the emitted photons bear a constant phase relationship with each other in both time and space. Unidirectional, a very tight film which is very strong and concentrate and highly intense. Laser communication. Laser communication system are wireless connection through the atmosphere. They work similarly to fiber optical links except the fact that in laser film is transmitted through the free space. Circuit 1. The laser communication system can be easily deployed since they are inexpensive, small, low power, and do not require any radio interference radius. What is laser communication? Laser. A laser is a device that emits light through the process of optical amplification based on the stimulated emission of electromagnetic radiation. Communication: exchange the information from one place to another place. Laser communication: it is a system used to a wireless connection whose exchange information through the laser film which is transmitted through the free space. Invention of laser communication. From the earliest days of laser development, researchers realized that light could outperform radio in terms of information speed and density. Light wavelengths are packed much more tightly than sound waves, and they transmit more information per second and with a stronger signal. Why laser instead of radio frequency? Bandwidth for laser communication is 100 times greater than radio frequency. ஸோ லேசர் கம்யூனிகேஷன் வந்து ரேடியோ ஃப்ரீக்வன்சியில் கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது 100 டைம்ஸ் கிரேட்டராக இருக்கும். ஸோ பவர் எல்சி இஸ் டைரக்டட் டார்கெட் ஸோ மச் லெஸ் டிரான்ஸ்மிஷன் பவர் ரெக்யூர் ஆல்சோ த பவர் இஸ் லாஸ். கம்மியான பவரில் எனக்கு வந்து டிரான்ஸ்மிஷன் ஆகிறதுனால அந்த நேரத்தில் பவர் லாஸ் வந்து அதிகமாக இருக்காது, ஸோ கம்மியாக தான் இருக்கும். Size and weight. The laser communication antenna is much smaller than radio frequency. And security. Due to low divergence of laser film, the laser communication is more secure than radio frequency. Purpose of laser communication system: information source, transmitter, channel, receiver, output transmitter, the output signal. This is the black diagram laser communication system. The laser communication parameters are grouped into 5 major categories: the link, transmitter, channel, receiver, and detector parameters. Link parameter அப்படின்னா ஸோ டைப் ஆஃப் லிங்க்ஸ் ஓகே அக்வசிஷன், ட்ராக்கிங் அண்ட் கம்யூனிகேஷன். அக்வசிஷன் அப்படின்னா அந்த டைம் அண்ட் ஃபால்ஸ் ஆஃப் அலாரம் ரேட், ப்ராபபிலிட்டி ஆஃப் டிடெக்ஷன். ஸோ ட்ராக்கிங் அப்படின்னா the amount of error induced the signal circuitry. So communication is feed error rates. Underwater laser. The laser can be also used as a source of underwater transmission. At present, the submarines have to rely on a sonar to find the enemy crafts and to avoid the underwater object. Laser works underwater. The laser underwater just find so long as the components that are making the laser work are not exposed to the water. If it is encased in an armor, so that is the waterproof, then the laser is going to be capable to producing the beam of just the same as it normally would. There are some different properties to the considered due to the being underwater. When you are using laser underwater, they are going to the just a difference to keep in mind. You might to avoid the scientific fact that very little sunlight reach into the depth of ozone. Light penetration in the water was differently. and it winds up getting scattered when it goes to deep. Sometimes the laser wavelengths are going to work better underwater than others. Blue-green spectrum lasers work best. The laser that are on the blue-green portion of the spectrum perform the best underwater. They can penetrate further and will enjoy the higher wavelength when measured in nanometers. This means that the peak transmission of the blue screen laser underwater will be little more than 500 nanometers by a current estimate. Water can absorb some red and ultraviolet light, so going to over to that side of the spectrum will be so the noticeably dimensional result. Why might you want to use laser underwater? Now you might want to know the why people would need to use of underwater. There is actually many potential applications for the laser technology underwater. One of the most obvious is that they could be used to help our submarines. Laser could theoretically be important for helping the submarines to locate other vessels, and it could even to be used to try the differentiate between the friendly vessels and the enemies. These could also be used for communication purpose underwater. If humanity ever decide to be filled a structure underwater, then could be very important part of being able to communicate effectively with the surface. The lasers are an important part of the technology, and they will be continue to the important for the many years to come. It should come as the no surprise that the such and technological achievements underwater would be the making use of laser. There are also laser points that are designed to be used underwater. This is probably one of the most common types of underwater lasers. Scuba divers need to be able to see the underwater. The laser pointers can help them to identify the object or to communicate with others. So scuba divers they can swim the underwater for a long time using a tank filled with the compressed air. The tank is a large metal cylinder made of the steel or aluminum. These underwater laser pointers are not used with the source of light. They are just used to point out the object, and they could potentially to be useful in other ways. Well, the underwater laser have the many modern application in the world. ஸோ அண்டர் வாட்டரில் என்ன பண்ணோம், ப்ளூ ஸ்க்ரீன் யூஸ் பண்ணி எப்படி வந்து அந்த லேசர் ஆக்ட் ஆகுதுன்னு பார்த்தோம். ஸோ அதே மாதிரி இப்போ விசிபிள் லைட் வந்து எப்படி வந்து அண்டர் கிரவுண்ட் டிஸ்டன்ஸில் எவ்வளோ ஃபீச்சர்ஸில் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, அது என்னென்ன அம்சங்கள் அப்படின்னா, ஒயிட் பேண்ட் வித் சிக்னலிங் ஃபீச்சர்ஸ், மாடுலேஷன் அண்ட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கெப்பாசிட்டி ஃபார் த ஃபோட்டான் ஸ்டவர் சேனல், and communication system of dynamic range, acoustic scanning function, and use of water as a propagation medium. For wide bandwidth signaling future, the two laser communication terminals get locked onto each other. They are communicating. The wide bandwidth signaling features in the communication waveform determine two vehicles. The wide bandwidth signaling features is it to calculate the relative pairing and range between the vehicles with the precision accuracy within the few centimeters. Next one is a modulation and information capacity for the photon stored channel, LSCD. The demands the high rate optical communication, the popularly known as the photon stored channel. The photon stored channeling is the system where the total signal flux and relative to the data rate is very limited. LLCD அப்படின்னா என்னன்னா, the lunar laser communication demonstration. And second point of the both the deep phase the link and undersea the links are the photon stored channels. In this case of LLCD, the photon efficiently was the increasingly the utilizing optical bandwidth and detectors sensitive to the single photons. The LCD used the 5 GHz high bandwidth signaling scheme with the 16 array was the position the modulation PBM with enable to the transmission of the multiple bits of the information. The next point of the PBM signaling and the signal photon receivers are the compatible with the undersea environment, allowing the machine to compute the best achievable efficiency with the BBM and the signal photon with the sensitive receiver. BBM அப்படின்னா ஸோ பார்ட்ஸ் பர் மில்லியன். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் என்னென்னா, ஸோ கம்யூனிகேஷன் ஆஃப் த சிஸ்டம் இன் டைனமிக் ரேஞ்ச் அண்ட் அக்வாஸ்டிக் ஸ்கேனிங் ஃபங்க்ஷன், த யூஸ் ஆஃப் வாட்டர் அண்ட் ப்ரொபகேஷன் மீடியம். Application for underwater communication. So diverse to diverse communication link, diverse to submarine link, submarine to AUV link, and submarine to submarine link, UAV to UAV link, and submarine to satellite link, which is underwater communication. Nature of laser communication technology. Less frequency restriction. Radio frequency spectrum is a crowd and heavily used. Next one is a smaller aperture dimension and this the reduces size and use. Less weight and power per bit. Next one is an autonomous alignment RTU. The resulting is a less platform in the monarch curve. Less fuel or more flexibility. Disadvantages for the industrial application for the principal limiting factors are the beam dispersion, atmospheric absorption, rain, interference with the background light source, including sun, the shadow, pointing stability in white, and the pollution and smog. Conclusion: the laser works underwater and they do have modern applications that are being used today. In futures, it is possible that underwater laser will be even more important than they are now. Thank you guys for joining this underwater adventure.